How do you go into this and do it right? How do you avoid all the likely pitfalls and snares that always trip up the neophyte new startups? That 5 handles is plenty, and you can split it up and make your whole 25 handle career on multiple trades or one individual trade in the morning that gets 5 handles and you're done for the whole day. That releases you from all of the expectations of being in front of these charts longer than it's necessary, which is good. You want to limit that. So if you get your trade 5 handles when you're first starting out, turn the charts off. Look at everything afterwards in hindsight. Don't be lured into doing more because something moves around quick. You don't want to add to what's already been given to you, and that's your goal. Stop. That's what profitable trading is. Having a goal, a business model. Okay. We call it a trading model, but it's a business model. You know, Foot Locker don't go out there and say, you know what, we're doing so well selling shoes. We need to get into the fucking pizza business. Let's start selling pizzas and burritos. You know, because who wouldn't want a fucking Foot Locker burrito, right? That shit don't work. Okay. You're not going to upset the model that works for them. Okay. And vice versa. You have a model, you sit down, you've done all the work, you built yourself up, you're learning this, and now you settled in, you're going to look for 5 handles in the E-mini S&P or the NASDAQ, one or the other. I'm preferring ES, and I think you should do that too. If you want to go into NQ later on when you have more ability, that's fine. But when it moves fast, it can be wild and it can hurt you. It's a little bit more chaotic. So just be mindful of that. Don't be afraid of it, but in the beginning, respect it, because if you don't know what you're doing, it can sting you. But you want to have that business model of knowing when are you going to stop. See, when I go into live streamers all the time, I'll ask them, I say, hey, look, I asked this of Trades by Matt, I asked it by Corbs, I asked it by 2 other YouTubers, and they ignored me in there because I know why. They don't want to talk to me because they think I'm in there trying to make fun of them. I'm not. I respect anybody that's doing a live stream. I would never go in there and try to be disruptive about anything like that, because number 1, it takes a lot of focus and it's a dick move, and 2, I can respect the fact that they're doing it, because there isn't a lot of people that are willing to get out there and literally live stream. So that is ballsy, in anybody that does it. Yeah, that they got my respect, even if they blow up all the time and blow their accounts and go to maximum loss multiple times in the same week. It's still respectful that they do it. I want to ask them questions like, hey, when do you stop? What draws the line in the sand? Say, okay, I'm not trading anymore today. I've done enough, either because of the loss or the win. Like, how do you get to the point of contentment where you no longer feel that it's needed for you to be in front of the charts? Have you even considered that in your development, in your building of your trading plan? Because it's easy to see, oh, it's early. I've already got my 10 handles for the day. That's 2 days work. That's 2 days of work. What do you think? You're going to go in there again? Because that's exactly what you're going to do. You're going to think the market's on fire. You got to push your edge until it's dull and you lost what you made and more. Plus commissions. Don't you feel smart? Twitter can get you hurt by people that don't know what the fuck they're talking about. Your business model is only profitable when you follow it. Your trading plan is only profitable when you follow it. Your wife, your husband, your significant other, your children, your dependents, your best friends, your coworkers, your boss, and ICT, we're not going to be there to help you press the button and manage it and tell you when to stop. That's personal responsibility. And all of that rests on your shoulders. And if you're not in tune with the things that will lure you into dumb shit, gambling, going in there one more time, you got a good day, you made $1,000. You didn't try to make $1,000. It just happened, fell right in your hands. Don't look at that as, oh shit, I'm way better than I thought I was. Fuck, I've been thinking about this all this time, thinking I wasn't that great. Look how good I am. I'm gonna go out there and do this 5 more times, because shit, that's $6,000. Who doesn't want a $6,000 day? And then all of a sudden you're looking at your account, it's gone. I've done that. I've done it. I've done that. Okay, so you have to know when you're going to pull the plug. And when you walk yourself inside my crosshairs, I'm going to hug the trigger and I'm going to drop you. You can't withhold this from me. When you have that, unstoppable. Unstoppable. And then when you have the model in your hand and you know exactly how you're going to perform with it, you have no idea. You have no idea the potential you have then. Every goal that you ever set, smashed. Every goal that you ever imagined within your reach, smashed. And you're going to look around and say, man, I did not have high enough goals. This was too easy. This was too easy. But while you're going through it, it seems impossible. They're not doing it. So why are you taking other people's advice that aren't doing shit? If they're not doing better than you, they don't have any opinion on how to make you better. Cut it out. You want to be self-sufficient. You want to be able to make this money on your own. You don't want to listen to me. You don't want to listen to anybody else. You don't even want to be on social media. Fuck these people. You don't want to give a shit about what they say about you. You don't care. You don't give a shit if they see what house you live in. You don't give a shit what kind of car you drive, how much money you got in the fucking bank. You don't care about none of that because you're living your life. You're taking care of your family. If it fucking offends you, I don't give a shit. Move on down the fucking road because this is where the rubber meets the road, folks. No one's going to protect you. I can't protect you. You're going to fuck it up if you fuck it up and you did it in your own hands. But if you do the due diligence and say, I'm cutting all the bullshit out today. I'm cutting it all out. I got no excuses now. He said it. I got no excuses. It's there. It's in the charts every single day, every single week. This is the hardest, easy money you've ever made. And the only thing that complicates it is the person you see in the mirror. How long are you going to let that person in the reflection of that mirror hold you back? You think you look like that person in the reflection of that mirror. You don't. You don't. It's backwards. And it's not shocking when you think about how we think ass backwards. We think about things backwards because we don't think we deserve it. Bullshit. You deserve it. The fact that you're still listening to me, bloviate. You know you want it. You can fucking taste it. It's ready. It's within grasp. You know it's there. You just gotta keep digging. It's gonna happen for you. I have dozens other ones that I'm begging for them to come forward. New step. New string in their step. Why? Because they don't need ICT no more. And guess what, baby? Woo! That's exactly what you do when you graduate. Fuck you, ICT. Thanks, brother. See ya. That's exactly how I want you to do. I don't want you tethered to me. I don't want you constantly tethered to me. I want you to say, thank you so much, but I ain't got time to be messing with you no more. I got things to do. Places to be. Boom. That's exactly how you leave the nest. That's it. We're done.
Alrighty, good morning, boys and girls. Happy Friday, chat. Hope everybody is doing well. Welcome in. Say what's up in the chat. Hit the like button if you'd be ever so kind. Good morning, PEJW. Good morning, Jehu, Kvan Chan, Hindsight King. Good morning, Oro, Luca. What's up, Crypto Surfer? Good morning, man. What's up, Jimmy? Jose, Boy, Alvarado, my bad. Kooky, what's up, man? Laksh, Rao, Suga, what's up, man? Sesko, good morning. Easy Trades, good morning. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Hope everybody is doing well. Welcome in. And let me go ahead and turn the background music down here a little bit. And we will dive on in. Obviously, guys, no news today. Friday, last day of this no news week. And yeah, I don't see any headlines or whatever at all for any Iran stuff. Explosions heard in southern Iran an hour ago, apparently. Other than that, it looks like no news to worry about here today, despite any, unless we get any Trump headlines, which is always possible. So, but yeah, good morning, everybody. As far as where we're at in price, let's see here now. Obviously, the draw for this week for me was the previous weekly low on the, just as far as like the weekly target is concerned. Wanted to see us give this distribution to the previous weekly low after this manipulation up the beginning of the week. And if we don't do that, obviously we're going to end up with an inside weekly candle. Not impossible, but be a little bit disappointing. And if we scale into like the 4 hour, the 6 hour, these higher hourly time frames, we do have this inefficiency left behind in price. This is a 4 hour gap, a 6 hour gap that we could potentially trade up into. We did end up leaving behind this SMT at the new day opening gap with ES this morning. So potentially we could see this move come in and go sweep, you know, London low here, previous weekly low. If I show you guys the overnight trading, we have literally pretty clean relative equal lows here with the overnight sessions. So it seems like that could be a pretty strong possibility as well. We got market open up here in less than 1 minute. So let's see what it wants to do. It's already looking like it's picking up some steam here to the downside. So we'll see if it wants to just go run all this out right away. If it does, then it is what it is, I guess. But no, we can really do about that. But yeah, would like to see that previous weekly low if we can. If we can, chat, would love to see it get swiped here. That was the whole goal for this week. So that would be great. That would be great. What's up, W. Aaron? Good morning, Nathan. Did we see the 7-hour chart? I did not see the 7-hour chart. That's like the only hourly time frame I don't have on my favorites toolbar. You can see all the time frames I have saved up top. There's our opening bell, by the way. Ding, ding, motherfuckers. All right, man. Let's see what it wants to do here. We got a little bit more weakness, it looks like, on the NQ than compared to ES and YM. YM is probably the strongest here. NQ is probably the weakest. What's up, Chris? Good morning, Z Trades. What's up, Adam? Also, boys, good news. Great news, chat. You'll be happy to hear this. We figured out the duck race. We got to figure it out, boys. We fixed it. We got to figure it out. Duck races are back. W duck races. That was like a long 2 months, though. I don't know why it took so long. But that's the good news, boys. The Grim Reaper 87. Good morning. What's up, Lumen? What's up, Doman? Oh yeah. Oh, I didn't even put a poll in the chat today, did I? Son of a bitch. I meant to put that in there. I didn't know if we were gonna sweep previous weekly low overnight. So I didn't want to. I was gonna ask you guys if you thought previous weekly low was gonna be swiped or not. I guess you guys can just sound off in the chat. Let me know what your guys' draw is for this morning here first. Do you guys think we go to London, just London low and leave previous weekly low? That's option 1. Do you think we go to London low and previous weekly low? That's option 2. Do you think we leave either of these lows and go run up for like that open imbalance on the 4 hour? What's the thought process here? What's everybody thinking in the chat? We don't need to do a little poll, I guess. We're kind of late on it, so. How you fix it? Yeah, it's kind of finicky, to be honest with you. Clearing my cookies and cache did not work. I had to create a list of names first and then load up the duck race, and then it worked. So I kind of had to figure out a little glitch around it, I guess. I don't know. I also contacted support and they did not help me. It was not helpful, to be honest. But we figured it out, so we'll take it any way we can get it. Previous weekly low today. Run London low and weekly low and maybe hit the monthly low. I think it takes yesterday's low and reverses. We haven't loaded it up yet. Right now, the only names I have on the duck race list are the people that sent me proof of using code Tyler throughout the week. Those are the only names I have on the list as of right now. I see the AMD very clearly. Sees trace manipulate. And then seek lower. How much are you paying them for it? I don't remember what it was. I think it was like $20 or something for the year. That way we could do more than like 100 names. I think it was limited to 100 names if it was the free version. There's like just under 50 on the people that actually submitted proof. There's a lot of people that were obviously using the code throughout the week that maybe just didn't send in like screenshot proof. But for the people that did send in screenshot proof, yeah, there's like just under 50 names. And a lot of them with multiple entries, including you, Dom. So your odds are good. Your odds are good. Yeah, the list is not complete yet, boys. The list is not complete yet. We'll do the giveaway towards the end of the stream probably. Whenever we're deciding that we're done trading for the day, we'll probably run the giveaway. My one buddy just texted me and said he's in a long. You plan on doing how many accounts? It's up to you guys. Depends how many likes we get. If we run up the likes on the stream, we'll do more. Buy side first, 4-hour or 6-hour FEG, then seek the lows. Starting to look like that, ain't it? Starting to look like that a little bit, ain't it? Here we are on the 1 minute. 9:30 push lower, turn around just shy of New York midnight. We did get, well, we retested New York midnight in Asia or in London session. That is obviously that London low there. Turning around here, it's crazy. Stacking more lows here, chat. Look at this 30-minute chart right now. Look at this chart, chat. Look at this chart. Listen, don't look me in the eyes with a straight face and tell me this don't look appetizing right here. Be honest, chat. This looks pretty appetizing, am I right? Or am I wrong? I think it looks pretty appetizing here. We just traded up into the new day opening gap on ES there. Just got this sweet, holy shit. Hang on, NASDAQ, slow the fuck down. Slow down right now. You're going a little too quick. Hang on, NASDAQ. Relax, buddy. Relax, dude. Nobody's in, no, listen. Nobody here's chasing you. Just relax, calm down. You need to calm the fuck down right now, NASDAQ. Because I'm trying to short you, you stupid little chart. I'm trying. I'm down if you are, NASDAQ. Can we get a little pop-up, please? I'm being stingy with the entry here a little bit. Can we get a little retracement? All right. I'm going to go short right there. Off this inversion and changing the state lower. Wish me luck, boys. Wish me luck, boys. Risk reward's pretty dog shit, I'm not going to lie. But the short does not look good, says Narrow Toe. Then don't take it, man. That's kind of the beautiful thing about this is you don't have to take the trades I take, man. I've been looking for that previous weekly low all week, so I'm willing to give this a try. What's the worst that happens? I hit a little stop loss. Big deal. Big deal. So what's somebody gonna do? Beat me up? I don't think so. So what's somebody gonna do? Beat me up? I don't think so. You're tweaking out? I'm tweaking out too, man. It's Friday, man. It's a good day to tweak out, all right? I mean, if you're going to do it any day this week, it might as well be today. But yeah, guys, my plan is probably just go break even at London low. Just to be safe. See if we get a move to previous weekly low. We're getting a nice reaction here off this inversion and CISD that we just tapped into, this order block. You know, I really wouldn't want to see us obviously come back up above here. So, yeah, let me just go ahead and do that. We'll keep the L tight if it's not going to go. My buddy that texted me earlier and said he went long just texted me again. He said, "Am I cooked?" I don't know, man. We're all fucked. I don't know if he's watching or not. If you're watching and texting me at the same time, just know that I'm... Listen, dude. Do I roll it break even now? We should. I mean, if this doesn't go to London low, that's crazy. You can see where my trust is with the market. Trust is at an all-time low. All right, there's London. I'm break even, chat. So I don't know if we're going to get the previous weekly low. I do think it is possible that we sweep London and then just reverse, but previous weekly low has been my draw all week, so that's where we're aiming. See if a boy like me can get a little something. My break-even king. Don't you fucking forget it, Sempi. If anyone ever tells you that they're the break-even king, you say, you shut your mouth. Let me show you Tyler Trades. All right? That's what I'm expecting from you boys. You don't let them steal that valor from me. You say, you shut your dirty mouth. I'm going to show you the real break-even king. I'm trading all 150s this week. Sugar? I almost thought your name said Sugar Milf. All right, moment of truth here, chat. Let's see if we get a little move past London. Shows what kind of websites you've been visiting is crazy. Not me. Me? Not me. Listen, the closest thing to porn I've witnessed in recent history is Nika twerking in the Discord. I actually had to go to confession after that. Oh, all right, whatever. You gonna reverse off London and go take out my break even? You dirty little slut. Yeah, London's fine. I mean, my original stop loss was actually like all the way up at this high. So like my original risk reward is like this, right? Like just going for London would have been actually like a negative risk reward. Listen, I'm all for at least like at least a 1R, you know what I'm saying? But like negative risk reward, I mean, come on. Where do we draw the line here, folks? Plus, previous weekly lows been my target, dude. It's literally been my target this whole week. You guys know I've been talking about it. Beat that horse to death, basically. If not now, when? And then if we don't get it this week, bro, it's just an inside week. Like it's just ass, right? Like inside daily ranges, inside weekly ranges. It's just not, you know what I'm saying? Not ideal. Not really much we can do about that, huh? New 15-minute there. No news today, Noah. Correct, yeah. Not that I'm aware of, at least. There's not any red folder or orange folder, though. Maybe there's like a yellow folder. Check, it's a little spicy at me sometimes when I say there's no news, but there's a yellow folder. Macro could be fast. Macro's my middle name. Get it, or? You get it, or nah? We do have our previous day low here at what are that levels at? 432. 432, and then 408 is the previous weekly low. Let's see if we can get a little something like that. I don't know. Deal? Deal or no deal? ES getting a scary bounce here. Would -1 standard deviation of manipulation leg be 376? 376? If I'm assuming are you talking about this leg right here? If so, then I think you're right, yeah. Yep. Yep. So, I mean, that's a good feeling. Like, this was within that one standard deviation. Like, should be fine, to be honest. BE incoming. Jacob, come on, man. Jacob, what the fuck? I thought you were on my side, dude. We are out of sync right now, though. NQ is going down. ES is going up. YM is going up. We're totally out of sync at the moment. Might actually flip these two and just previous day low, do 2 off, and then 1 off at the previous weekly low. You know what, Jacob? Fuck you, man. This is your fault. Jacob, this is your fault. You're banned from the giveaway today. If this gets me break even, you're banned. You did this. Jacob, you did this. Look what you did. I'm tired, boss. Oh, how many break evens can a guy take in the year of 2026? How many break-even trades can a trader take in 1 year? Can anybody look up the record? I need to know if I'm gonna break it or not. Yeah, we're hitting this 2-minute and 3-minute gap that was left. On the 5-minute, we don't really. Let me see. 5-minute, we just immediately rebalance. Ooh, Jacob, you're saved. Yeah, Jacob, you silly little slut. Ooh. All right, there's a previous day low. Let's see if we can get this last contract off at previous weekly low. Then we can say we caught the previous weekly low move. Ah, got you, Jacob. Ah, got you, Jacob. Yeah, I don't know what that was, but it almost looked headline driven. That almost looked headline driven, didn't it? There we go. Sweet, man. Previous weekly low. Holla fucking Luya, chat. Oh my God. Oh. I feel like a suburban white mom at a non-denominational church. Eyes closed, hands in the air, swaying back and forth. I'm about to shed a tear. Ah, thank goodness, dude.
You know we finally here, right? Well, it's Friday then, it's Saturday, Sunday, what? It's Friday then, it's Saturday, Sunday, what? It's Friday again, it's Saturday, Sunday. Hey, 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 go, go. What? Go, go, go. What?
Hell yeah. But this is what happens. This is what happens when my TPs do get hit. Then it runs. Then it runs. Well, where are we going, chat? Where are we going? Where the fuck is this market going? I know that previous, where's that previous monthly low based off of the, all right, let me, where's that previous monthly low based off of the, if we have the B-edge turned off, the level is 227, which we are like still 120 points off of that, apparently. See, but this is where it gets so trippy for me, because it's like, bro, on the front month, which if you have the back adjustment on your continuous chart, on the front month, that low has already been taken, man. It's like, what's the level on this chart? Are we reaching for like 875? I wonder where this turns around at. Maybe we just print a low here using these standard deviations and then come back into the range. Maybe I'm overthinking this. But anyway, all right, man. W trade. Previous week, I told you boys, all week long, I go as I says. Previous weekly low is the draw. And y'all didn't want to believe me. I tried telling you. Market was gracious enough to leave it for us for a Friday. Can you believe it? I thought I was going to take it overnight. Thank you, market makers. Thank you. Thank you very much. Oh, all right. All right. ES, no daily wick candle is what I'd be watching for. Let me see here. Let me see the ES daily. No wick candle, he claims. That's what they're telling me. Ooh, I see what you're saying. Ooh. I smell what you're stepping in, Kevin. Yeah, that does look pretty clean, doesn't it? 398. Even YM has like really, if you look at the daily chart, YM has really, really clean previous day lows and open inefficiencies on the daily right below current price at 691, and we just got on the daily candle a immediate rebalance on the YM chart. So let's see if that starts breaking down here too. NQ by far the weakest, by far. But yeah, W trade, boys. W trade. Guess that means we can do the giveaway and get the hell out of here. We can do that. That's what we could do. We could get our weekend started right now. So maybe let's do that. Hang on. Give me a sec here, chat. Give me a sec. I need to go ahead and just check a couple of things. And then I got to get the form for you, boys and girls. But a couple more people did submit tickets today. So let me go ahead and give them... Let me go ahead and get them on the list for extra entries. And by the way, so the way that this is going to work, this is what we're going to do. Hit the like button, guys. Run up the likes on the stream. The number of likes is going to determine how many accounts we give away. We're obviously going to give away at least a few today. But if we run up the likes, potentially we'll do more. So the way this is going to work, everybody will be able to participate in most of the giveaways at least. We might save like at least one or two for just the people that submitted proof over the week. But nonetheless, everybody will still be able to participate in the giveaway today. And the people that did submit proof will just have extra entries in the full giveaway, if that makes sense. So that's going to be the game plan here, chat. All right, Larry, I need to grab you, add you to the list. Larry's going on the Epstein list. Da Vinci's trying to get. So yeah, Da Vinci just sent this in the chat. He goes, "Yo, Tyler, you could also include people who have liked the stream in the giveaway. That would encourage more people to do that." Listen, I would love to do that, Da Vinci. I don't know how to see. You can't see that though. There's no way for me to see who liked the stream and who didn't. There's no way for me to see that, man, unfortunately. But all right, let me grab the Google form here, chat, and we'll get this show on the road. We'll get this show on the road. Hit the likes, guys. Hit the likes. If we don't have enough likes, I'm just going to give all of the accounts to the people that submitted proof over the week, all right? That's right. That's right. You think I won't? Fucking test me, buddy. You think I won't? Oh, I will. Giveaway. What's the date today? July 24th. July 24th. Almost August, boys. That's crazy. Our first winning trade of the year was today. Long time coming. Ain't that something? New hour, by the way, chat. We just swept the previous hourly low. Getting a little bit of a bounce here. All right. All right, all right, all right. Publish. So I'm going to drop the link in the chat, boys and girls. I'm going to unpin this. Unpin that. So the Google form is in the chat, and I'm going to pin it to the bottom of the chat. So go ahead and start filling that out. You only need to fill it out once, obviously. And then we will run the giveaway. So the people on this list will be added in. The people that did submit proof over the week will have extra entries, but you guys can fill out the form as well. And then yeah, we'll run some giveaways here. Ending the week on 2 positive notes: trade going to target, no break even, and then some giveaways, chat. Sounds like a good freaking week to me. Sounds like a good freaking week to me. But yeah, guys, I will say that I think the format of this feels pretty good so far. And if you guys like it, we can keep this going. We'll do giveaways like this every week, I guess. Feels pretty good. Let's see how many people that submitted proof win though. They should. Like I said, we might if we get through the giveaway, like let's say we give away a few accounts and none of them have won yet, we're gonna do giveaways with just them though. Sorry, I don't make the rules. Dom, come on now. Dom, I feel like this is your day. Now if you win, everyone's gonna say I rigged it for you. I gotta be like a sports broadcaster here. I can't act like I have any alliance. I don't have any alliance. Cross my heart and hope to die, chat. No giveaways have ever been rigged. That's facts on God. The only rigged giveaway was the one that you guys wanted rigged when Nika was twerking in the Discord and you guys said she deserved an account for that. That was the only rigged giveaway, and that was because of you guys. You guys rigged that one. You have to resend the McDonald's application. Jonesy, we can be unemployed for one more week. Just one more, though. until we catch our second winning trade of the year. So, yeah, guys, the form is in the chat. The form is pinned as well. If you guys want to be in the giveaways today, fill out the form. We're going to do some duck races for some Lucid accounts and some TRADEIFY accounts. Both 50Ks. The Lucid accounts are 50K. I think they're pro accounts. I want to say they're pro accounts. Yeah, I think they're pros. And then the TRADEIFY account codes are for growth accounts, both 50Ks. So it should be a fun time. Should be a fun time. We'll have the FBI investigate. We'll have the FBI investigate. What? You mean the Mossad? Yeah, if you guys took any trades today, drop them in the Discord. Drop them in the Discord chat. Let's see what you guys sniped today. Move this over here so you can still see it. See what you guys are rocking with today. 2 micros on the IFEG. Yeah. Same trade, dude. Yeah. If you got the OB entry, you got a lot better of a little bit better of a fill, a little bit better risk reward there, but nice, dude. Nice, nice. Listen, if anybody went long this morning, I'm going to be disappointed. Undefeated week, Sanity. Or wait. Sanity, undefeated week? Dude, congrats, man. Oh, yeah. There we go, medics. Let's fucking go. Nice. Nice, nice. How you got 50, 60 more dollars than me? You son of a bitch. Well, dinner's on you, man. That's the rules. Crypto Surfer. Nice, dude. Hell yeah. Yeah, I'm assuming was your stop originally here, Crypto Surfer, or was it higher up first? I'm just curious. Nice, dude. Yeah, I guess actually Crypto Surfer. I think dinner might be on him, maybe. Where's the boys linking up tonight? Boys, what's the move tonight? What's the move? What the? Oh, you went short on the S&P? Z-Trade? Oh, yeah, Z-Trade. You are an ES trader more so. So wait, did you just... Was that this candle here? I think it was, huh? Oh my God. So you just saw that big pop down, you're just like, oh, I'm in. He goes, I'm in. Was that a headline, by the way? No? The way that reacted, it felt like a headline. Or is that just me? What must you do to also get a rigged giveaway? Use code Tyler and get for all your prop accounts, and then submit proof in the Discord, and then you just get extra entries. Listen, if I'm rigging giveaways for anyone, it's gonna be those people. Type shit. Listen, I'm just gonna call a fucking spade a spade. Some of you are in here every day, and yet you're using like code Tanya, code Lumi, just because they're a female, and you think you have a shot with them, don't you? Don't fucking lie to me. Don't fucking lie to me. In your mind, you're just like, listen, maybe I'll get to marry her someday if I use her code instead of Tyler's, even though Tyler makes me giggle and chuckle and moist. But you know, hey, I'm hoping that I can weasel you. You know, I'm gonna weasel you in here like this. I'm gonna lure you in. Try my best, at least. What can I do? Does using code Tyler put you in the running to marry Tyler? LOL. Great question, Nemo. Nemo, I'm glad you asked. It's funny you say that, because that's actually also... Well, that's kind of like the grand prize. But yes, that is actually on... I mean, that is on the list. That's... I didn't want to say. I'm glad you did. I'm glad you did, Nemo. Great minds think alike. Do we have a chance with you though? Says Oscar. Oscar, if you have a male appendage, probably not. But listen, you use Code Tyler enough. Who knows? Times are tough out here. What can I say? Yeah, guys, giveaway. The giveaway form is in the chat. It's pinned at the bottom of the chat. Giveaway form is in the chat. We will give it, I don't know. It's coming to the end of the 10 o'clock macro. There's really no reason for us to stay on stream. I'm not going to be looking for any more trades. My whole objective for the week has now been hit. So yeah, I think let's give it like 5 more minutes, and then we'll run some giveaways with you boys and girls. And then yeah, wherever this goes after this is kind of, well, I guess it doesn't really matter to me, but can I use Code Tyler on Grindr? You can. It probably won't get you anything, but you can definitely try. I hope so hard with Marna's first payout she would buy an account for you. Noise Vision, maybe you win one today. Wait, so Noise Vision, give us the update. Where's Marna's giveaway account at? We're invested now, man. You said she was up 7K the other day on the giveaway account on the funded. I feel like we gotta see this through. My objective was the previous weekly low, Cooner. It was my objective all week, and it just took till Friday to hit it, so. All right, man. Let me see. How many? Okay. Yeah, we got like 80 submissions so far on the Google form. I'm gonna give you guys like 2 more minutes to fill that out. So if you're in the stream and you want to be in the giveaway, fill that out. And then we're gonna go run some duck races. Also, hit the likes chat. Hit the likes chat. Let's get to at least like 150 likes. More likes, more giveaways, by the way. We'll have a grand old time. We'll have a grand old time today. The link is pinned, Noah. Can you see the pin? Otherwise, yeah, there you go. These future firms do allow they don't allow your location, I'm assuming you're saying? What about FundedNext? Do they allow your location? What do I think of Powell? Are you talking Jerome Powell or Powell like the trader guy? I'm assuming Powell the trader. I don't know. I don't really. I think I've spoken to him one time, like back in the old like TikTok heydays. But I don't know. I don't mind. I don't have any problems with Powell. I don't have any problems with him. I like him. Seems like a cool dude. Listen, you guys know me, man. I don't have a problem with anyone, really, unless like they're just clearly doing something that's, unless they're like clearly doing something that's wrong. You know, like the Justin Werleins and the TJR of the world. Otherwise, man, everyone's innocent until proven guilty in my book. No, I redropped the link. I redropped it if you can't see it. Discord, Ibrahim is, if you just exclamation point Discord in the chat, it'll populate the link for the Discord, and it's in the description. I did not use the monkey today, Max. No monkey was necessary. Noah, are you fucking with me, Noah? All right, Noah, this is your last chance. Noah. Last chance. What do I think of the longs? I think that the longs, well, let me see. I haven't really been... I do think that longs back up into this range on a little bit higher time frame perspective do make sense. But the question you're asking yourself is like, all right, look at this daily candle, right? So like, where's this daily candle? Let me see if I can turn my executions off here. Clean this up a little bit. So like, you know, like how people will say like trend is your friend or whatever. I kind of hate when people say stuff like that, but I just think the simplest way to look at trend is your friend ideology, if you will, is just like, what higher time frame candles are you trading within, and what are they doing, right? Are they expanding lower? Are they expanding higher? If you're in a daily candle that is expanding lower, you know, it just might not be the most prudent move to try to long into that. Granted, some people will look at the perspective of, well, it's got to be going down in order for me to catch the best long entry, which is true. But still, you're fading the current like order flow, if that makes sense. So if you do go for longs, I would probably just look for like really short mean reversion type trades. Like I'm not anticipating there to be like some big reversal here on this daily candle, at least. You know what I'm saying? Like I think maybe going into next week, we could get a move back up into here, but like that's not today. So I'm not anticipating like a reversal today, if that makes sense. I think if we were going to get a reversal up into here, it was either going to do it at the open and or like we never would have made it past like London low, basically. We would have took out London low and then generated more liquidity for later and then came back up. So that is what I think of longs right now, I guess, if that answers your question. They feel probably a little risky, but, you know, if you like the idea of longing back into the range and then we settle in the range for today, you know, don't let me talk me out of it. I mean, you guys have your strategies, but you guys can see like even here as we're scaling in, like we're still seeing bearish order flow maintained, right? So I would think at a bare minimum, you'd want to see like some sort of higher time, well, some sort of like shift, right? 15 minute shift if you're looking to confirm the long, but I guess some people in here are turtle supers at heart, so I'm probably just not the right guy to ask at that point. Dom says TGR is most likely a scammer. But for me, it's like the whole introduction to trading and ICT basics. Yeah, sure. I mean, some people give them like some false loyalty. Like if somebody teaches you about a fair value gap in liquidity sweeps, does that give them permission to partner with an offshore brokerage to completely fabricate every and all trading results so he can then turn around and sell you a Discord and or then a mentorship and then or start a prop firm and then rug pull the prop firm and then pump and dump rug pull crypto coins? Like, I mean, the list is actually insane. He didn't just stop at like fooling people into buying a Discord or a mentorship. And now he's like mainstream. So trading isn't even like his like forte anymore. I feel like he's actually just mainstream entertainment. And to be honest with you, I don't even have a problem with that with him. I do think if he does deserve anything, it's probably like mainstream entertainer because he is an entertainer. And he, listen, man, his content creation game is, you got to respect it. It's there. I mean, I remember there was a point in time where he was making like 70 TikToks a day or some shit like that. And I was just like, oh my God. I don't even know, like, bro, coming up with like 2 or 3 things to talk about on like a TikTok is kind of difficult, to be honest with you. I don't know. Plus, it's like I don't want to like repeat the same shit all the time. That's why making trading content is a little bit making trading content is a little bit a drag at times, just because, you know, you can only teach the things so many times without being redundant. And obviously I don't want to like just, you know, this is not, I mean, I guess that's why I live stream now. Like there was when I started my YouTube channel and my social medias, it was like obviously like teaching concepts, models, etc. But then like after you teach the stuff, it's like, well, what do you do now? Like, I'm not just going to keep making the same videos over and over again. So I guess we'll just live stream. I don't know. ICT is getting prop deals, by the way. You think so? I don't think so. I don't think so. I just realized something, though. I wonder, do you guys know of any influencers that have the code for props, ICT? That might have been the ultimate fumble of all time. Instead of using code Tyler, I should have used code ICT. Did I fumble? I'm just realizing that. I don't think anybody has that. And I wonder if they'd let you take it. They probably would. Check if it gives a discount. Don't use it, Dom. Don't you dare. Just yeah, check. Someone check and let me know if it works. That'd be crazy. I just wonder who has it, if so. Oh, Lone Wolf, are you leaving? You're not staying for the giveaway? We're doing the giveaway, guys, in like, I know, I kind of stalled a little bit. We're going to do the giveaway here in like 2 minutes, all right? We'll do the giveaway. We'll be out of here by like 10:30, I promise. I promise. Marna's progress in the Discord. Let's go. Come on, let's see. Oh yeah, I forgot to run through the rest of these, sorry. Small L, then a W. Nice. Oh my god, what happened, Squeebs? Blew a fresh 50K with the first two, and then max day on the new one. Oh, dude. All right. W redemption. Don't trade. P&L boys stay unemployed, shorted, pre-market, sold. Sold to not hold during open, got wicked out on the open on the second trade, and then sold too early to get something back for P&L. Bald Tyler. JK just shorted the next leg after the pick. P&L BE on the day. Long. Wait a minute. Oh, you were shorting here. So you shorted here to here. I don't know if that might have been a break even. And then you shorted, stopped, reshorted, break even. Wait, what is this? Oh, well, break even on the day, man. I guess it could be worse. Usually when my executions look like this, it's usually red. Yeah, the boy Squeebs. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I do a little trading. My man. All right, let me see Marna's. Hey, Marna. Marna. All right, where are we at here? Growth sim funded 50K. You are meeting the consistency. Let's fucking go. Excuse my language. You got 4 of the 5 profit split days. Nice, dude. Let's go. We've got balance is 62.5. Damn. Payout incoming. Let's go. Let's go, Marna. Let's go. Oh, no. Oh, you went short. What? Oh, this wasn't your target though? Where was your target? -2 standard deviations, maybe? Yeah, usually if you're doing like an internal to external range trade like this, at least in my experience, bro, I mean, You guys have seen me take plenty of break evens, to be honest, but like usually this is low hanging fruit. It's just this. Yeah, like pulled back, perfect OTE. Anyway. All right, let's run the giveaways, chat. We got 5 minutes here till 10:30. Let's run it. Giveaway form has been in the chat for like 20 minutes, so if you didn't fill it out, better odds for everybody else. Type shit. All right, I see here. Responses, link to sheets. There we go. Only 97 responses, chat, and then we got like 40 something submissions from this week as well. So odds are pretty good, I think. Odds are pretty good for these folks. Also, yeah, you cannot win more than one giveaway today, obviously, right? If for the people that do have multiple submissions, I can't let you win more than one today, though, obviously. So, just a heads up on that. Hide your emails so I don't dox yous. I also didn't see Nika in the chat today. Nika's missing out. What do you guys think she's doing? You guys think she's at church today? She might be at church. She's missing the giveaway, man. Can't be mad at me. All right. Beautiful, beautiful. Just running through the list here, guys. All right, looks good to me. All right, sweet. Sweet. We got 146 names on the list here. The duck races are back, chat. Can you believe it? I never thought I'd see the day. I thought we were done. All right, sweet. Let's go. We're going to do... What are the likes at right now? We're at 129 likes. All right, so here's the deal. We're going to do a minimum of 3 giveaways. We're going to do a minimum of 3. If we do get to 200 likes... we'll do 4, maybe 5. What do you guys think? Is that fair? And as far as like what codes, I guess we could alternate. Let's alternate. Let's do TRADEIFY 50K growth for this first one. Let's do 30 seconds on the clock, boys. 30 seconds on the clock. Set. First giveaway account is going to be for a 50K TRADEIFY growth, all right? Good luck, everybody. On your marks. Get set. Hey, Dom, do you see your name at all? Crypto Surfer, you see your name? Let's fucking go. Good luck, chat. Come on. Giddy up. Let's go. Let me get the music going here. There we go. Yes, sir. All right, we got Zahi in front. Is he going to lose steam here, though? That's the question. Everyone's asking. We got... Who the hell is that coming up out of nowhere? Marsada. Nemo, there you are, Nemo. Oh, my God. Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. Glad to know. Congratulations. Glad to know. Congratulations on your 50K TRADEIFY growth account. If you are not already, and this goes for all of you guys, for the giveaway today, hop in the Discord for the winners, submit a ticket, obviously, and then just send me like a screenshot of your YouTube or whatever so I can confirm it's you, and then we will get you the codes after stream, all right? So congrats. Glad to know on being winner number 1. This, sad to know, for For the second giveaway, we're going to do a Lucid 50K Pro account, chat. Second one is going to be a Lucid 50K Pro account, all right? Good luck, everybody. Back at it, back at it. Here we go. Glad to know is nowhere to be seen anymore. Angelino pulling ahead. We got Raghu. We got Zahi again in front. Crypto Surfer here. Crypto Surfer here looking spicy. Looking spicy. I don't know. Wouldn't that be funny if Crypto Surfer got beat by Crypto Surfer? Look at all these Crypto Surfers here. We got K-Man. KM. 01. 5 seconds left. Who's going to pull ahead here? Who's going to pull ahead here? It's going to be Crypto Surfer. Come on. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right. Well, here's the deal, guys. So Crypto Surfer, congrats, man. That is for a Lucid 50K Pro account, by the way. Let's do another TRADEIFY 50K growth. All right. And by the way, Crypto Surfer, you won't be eligible to win anymore today, even though you got all these ducks. Even though you got all these ducks, you're not going to be eligible to win anymore today. But I think you'll be all right with that. You see the Donald Trump duck? Yeah. So what do we have for likes, guys? Let me see here quick. At 150 likes. 150 likes, chat. If we can get it up, we'll do more after this. Otherwise, this might be our last one. We might only do 3 today. That's right. You better hit the like button, chat. Don't be stingy. All right. Good luck, everybody. This is for another TRADEIFY 50K growth account. On your marks, get set. Quack. Increase the time. Maybe if we get another one. If we get another one, we'll increase the time for the next one. Crypto Surfer, he's on it. He's ineligible here. Just remember, guys, Crypto Surfer is ineligible here, so we'll rerun it if he wins. Who's gonna get this though? Kookie's coming in hot here. Kookie is coming in hot here. Kookie is coming in hot here. There you go, Kookie. Congratulations, man. For the 50K growth. We can do let's see here. Let me stall here a little bit more and buy you guys a little bit of time to hit the likes if you guys want another giveaway. I think in the meantime though, what I'm gonna do, let me see this. Crypto Surfer had a lot of submissions here, to be honest. Maybe I'll just clean this up. I might, Crypto Surfer, I might just remove your name from the list. Yeah, there we go. Oh, there it is. All right. All right, guys. There we go. Cleared that up a little bit. Cleared that up, cleared that up. Where was the... Oh, yeah, here we go. Sweet. Sweet, sweet, sweet. All right. You didn't see your name even once? Me either, man. Don't spam, though, man. Come on. Come on, man. Don't be spamming. You've entered so many of the giveaways, and it's the first time you've seen your name on the screen. Fair enough. Well, what do we do here? We did 3, so we did 2 50K growths with TRADEIFY. Let me check. Let me check my code inventory here. We did 2. How many Lucid codes do I have left? Also, you guys aren't really hitting the likes though. That's might have to save it then. Might have to save it then. We'll see, boys. You guys got like 2 more minutes to get to 200 likes. Otherwise, we're not going to be doing another giveaway with the full group. So in the meantime, what I'm going to do, let me do uno mas. Let me do uno mas. Giveaway with the Code Tyler submissions minus Crypto Surfer. This is actually going to be a really light list because there was only like 40 something submissions, and I'm not even shitting you guys. Crypto Surfer was probably half of them. So we're going to do 30 seconds on the clock. Actually, no, we won't even do that. We'll do a quick 25er. All right. This is for the people. This is for the rest of the people that submitted using Code Tyler. So I told you, boys, these are the only people I'm rigging giveaways for. So here we go. Let's see. Dom, this is your time to shine. If you don't win, Dom, if you don't win this one, man, you can't be mad at me. You actually can't be mad at me at all. But there's always next week, Dom. You know what I'm saying? There's always Dom. But yeah, this is for another 50K growth, guys. Another 50K growth. If we get to 200 likes, we'll do another 50K pro with Lucid. See, Dom, this is the problem, though. Everyone's gonna say it's rigged now, but everyone's gonna say it's rigged now. But I rigged it. I rigged it for the people that submitted, so I'm happy to do that. Sue me, chat. Sue me, chat. All right, there you go, Dom. I don't know, Dom. Have you ever even won a giveaway, to be honest? Have you ever even won one? No, actually not. That's crazy. That's the first time. Well, that makes me feel good then. That makes me feel good. All right, guys, I'm giving you a shot. Can we get to 200 likes? I'm grabbing the list of everybody else again. Pasting them back in here. Let's see. What are we at here? 166 likes, 220 of you just watching. That means there's about 34 of you that are being stingy. I mean, listen, do you guys want another giveaway Lucid Pro account or not? I mean, the code ain't going nowhere, so I can just keep hanging on to it. We're trying to give away 5 accounts. We've given away 4 already today. Yeah, Dom, you could just ping me in the same ticket that you have, I guess. That's probably the easiest. Same with you, Crypto Server. I don't think it lets you open up multiple tickets anyway. All right, well, the likes are pretty stuck, so I guess that's going to be it for today, chat. We've given away 4 accounts. We will save the rest of these codes. We still got more codes to give away, so we'll save those for next week. But 4, I guess, will be the cap for today. Nice winning day today on the short. And yeah, I guess going forward for the giveaways, chat. For those of you guys that are submitting proof right now, we will. I'll use those for next week. All right. So we'll do the same. We're gonna do the same format next week as well for the giveaways. We'll do obviously open to everybody, so everybody still has a chance, regardless of if they submitted proof or not. But for the people that do submit proof of using code Tyler with their prop firm purchases throughout the week, we'll get extra entries into the giveaway. And if needed, we'll rig the giveaways for them, where it's just them for at least like 1 giveaway, perhaps. So I don't know. I think I don't mind the format there. I think I don't mind the format. It seems like actually the most fair, and like I'm actually giving back to the people that are helping support me the most, which I like. So I'm happy with that. But no executions motion. Nice though. Nice short. But all right, man. Appreciate you, boys and girls. Enjoy your guys' Friday. Enjoy your guys' weekend. Looking ahead quickly here to next week. We have Trump speaking, by the way, tonight at 8:55. Not that that has anything to do with the trading session, but I'm not sure what that's about. Looking ahead to next week, we got FOMC on Wednesday, chat. So be trading in the afternoon on Wednesday. Won't be trading in the morning. Monday, no news. That's the only. I mean, the only red news day is Thursday and Wednesday. Thursday advanced GDP. So yeah, man, that all looks good. That all looks good. Free. All right, man. Hey guys, enjoy your Friday. Enjoy your weekend. If you want to get funded, code Tyler. Hit the like button on your way out if you'd be ever so kind. Congratulations to the giveaway winners. Congratulations to Marna, who's kicking ass and taking names with her giveaway account that she won. So yeah, man, hope you guys enjoy your Friday. Don't be too big of a degenerate today to close out the week. And I will see you boys and girls back here bright-eyed and bushy-tailed Monday morning, all right? Peace and love, chat. We'll talk to you later on.
Wake up early, coffee to my lips. Tyler trade streaming, giving us tips. The NASDAQ hustle riding up high. John's on my playground, never ask you why. ICT moves, smart money flows. Precision like an arrow, yeah, that's how it goes. Stop loss is shaking, but I hold my ground. Payouts stacking while the beats pound. Tyler trades, yeah, he's calling the plays. Future's bright while the market sways. If you run it, we don't delay. Stack those wins every single day. Trade lots now, time to break the mold. Risk to reward, pure liquid gold. Liquidity grabs, making it rain. I'm in sync with Tyler, bringing the gain. Party lights, flashing charts on the screen. Profit targets hidden, living the dream. Man of the hour, Tyler takes the stage. ICT king, ruling the day trader age. Tyler trades, yeah, he's calling the plays. Future's bright while the market sways. If you run it, we don't delay. Stack those wins every single day. Trader age every single day. Trendline snap, time to break the mold. Risk to reward, pure liquid gold. Liquidity grabs, making it rain. I'm in sync with Tyler, bringing the gain. Party lights, flashing charts on the screen. Profit targets hidden, living the dream. Man of the hour, Tyler takes the stage. ICT king, ruling the day trader age. Party lights, flashing charts on the screen. Profit targets hidden, living the dream. Man of the hour, Tyler takes the stage. ICT king, ruling the day trader age.